This guide provides a step-by-step approach to creating a structured data product using the Data Product Workbench for Collibra, making it an essential resource for users looking to streamline their data management process. This practical guide is ideal for both beginners and experienced users aiming to leverage Collibra's capabilities effectively. Navigate to Pinboard. Click Create Structured Data Product. Click the Data Product Name field and give the data product a name. Choose a name that makes your data product easily discoverable. Click the Description field and give the data product a description. Once again, add a description that helps make your data product easily discoverable when you need it in the future. Click the Data Product Intent Use Case field and provide Latttice Copilot with instruction on what sort of data product needs to be built. Note: be specific about your data sources and requirements. Mention specific database names, table types, or data categories to help Copilot find the right data sources for your product. Click Generate. If Copilot has made the correct recommendations, you can select Accept Copilot Recommendations. If changes to the selections needs to be made, click Continue to Manual Selection. After continuing to manual selection, the tables selected can be changed. Then click Next, select Columns. Here, selected columns can be edited. For this demo, all columns should be selected, so clicking the Select All button. Once columns have been selected, click Next, Configure Access. Step 5, Transform, is where you can add AI models, ABAC controls, FGA, transformations, view the SQL, and preview the data product. Click Preview Data tab. Click Load Preview. Once loaded, Copilot will provide a sample view of the data within your data product. Some data product views can be quite large, so click the arrow button to scroll to the bottom of the page. Click Next, Preview, and Finalize once satisfied with the data product and any changes that have been made. In the final step, another preview of the data within the data product will be provided, as well as the ability to finalize all the data product's details like name, description, tags, ownership. Finally, to ensure the data product is integrated, the Data Product Workbench option needs to be toggled to on before the data product is ready to be published to the pinboard. Once satisfied with everything for the data product, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Create Data Product to publish the data product to the pinboard, where it can be discovered, used, and shared. Latttice.com